Take my life and let it be consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my moments and my days, let them flow in ceaseless praise. Take my hands and let them move at the impulse of Thy love. Take my feet and let them be swift and beautiful for Thee. Here am I, all of me. Take my life, it's all for Thee. Take my will and make it Thine, it shall be no longer mine. Take my heart, it is Thine own, it shall be Thy royal throne. Take my love, my Lord, I pour at Your feet, its treasure store. Take myself and I will be ever only all for Thee. Here am I, all of me. Take my life, it's all for Thee. Take my life and let it